St. Patrick's Day, the day that we all feel so proud to be Irish, even if we're not Irish, is right around the corner. So I'm going to show you how to make two cocktails that will make you feel more Irish than Conor McGregor. They're both made with Irish whiskey, and one of them is easy drinking, and the other one is a boozy, sipping style kind of cocktail. So if that sounds good to you, let's make the Tipperary and Wild-Eyed Rose. Since I'm making two cocktails today, I'm not going to dive into their history. All I'm going to say is that they are both classic cocktails and they both predate Prohibition. Also, at the end of the video, I'll have a contest/giveaway, so make sure you stick around for that. So for the ingredients, we're going to use sweet vermouth, green chartreuse, orange bitters, and Irish whiskey for the Tipperary, and fresh lime juice, house-made grenadine, and Irish whiskey for Wild-Eyed Rose. I'm going to start with the Tipperary. 2 dashes of orange bitters. Half an ounce of green chartreuse, 3/4 ounce of sweet vermouth, and 1.5 ounce of your Irish whiskey. For the Wild-Eyed Rose, we're going to start with 3/4 ounce of house-made grenadine, 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice, and 2 ounces of your Irish whiskey. Now I just need ice for these. Now I have ice for both of them, so I'm going to stir this and shake the other one. All right, tasting time. So the Tipperary is like a boozier Manhattan with a dropkick of green chartreuse to wake you up. I love it. All right, so let's try the Wild-Eyed Rose. Oh yeah, it's a whiskey sour, but fruitier. Yeah, you really get the pomegranate from the grenadine. It's delicious. I'll have another one of those. Thank you. Damn, that's good. So about the giveaway that I was talking about in the beginning of the video. The Tipperary has a sibling, a cocktail that is exactly the same. The only thing that differs is the base spirit, meaning it's not Irish whiskey, it's something else, but all the other ingredients are the same. And same thing goes for the Wild-Eyed Rose. If you know which two cocktails I'm talking about, I've actually made one of them on my channel. Oh no! And if you know which cocktails I'm talking about, write it in the comments below and I will pick 3 random winners and send you one of these fantastic Whiskey Sugar Bitters t-shirts. Whiskey Sugar Bitters President! Also, a bonus is, if you can guess my favorite Boston Irish punk rock band, I'll send you a high five as well. Not a bad deal. That's it for today. I'll see you next time. I'm going to finish both of these because I love them. Slainte. I'm always slang. And wild-eyed. How have I been able to say this? Wild-Eyed Rose. And that's it for today. I'll see you next time. Bloop! See, this is where you have the spill mats, just in case you get drunk and you spill it.